See, I was in handcuffs, no one stood by my side. No one to help me prove my charge was a lie. Well, some prosecutor screams I'm a terrible guy, that I'm guilty and I deserve 25 to life. See, I lost my temper and the cop lost his cool. A whole can of pepper spray, man, making me look like a fool. Then he started stomping as I was gasping for air. Already on the ground, man, I don't know, that fight don't seem fair. But with my pain came rage, a light so bright I feel blind. So I reach with my hands, and a rock is what I do find. He stops for a moment, I gather my strength, just enough to swing quickly and put the rock right through his face. And that's how it happened, how he met his fate, and how my left eye got burned out by the pepper spray.